In this video tutorial I will show you how you can delete your Twitter or X account. First open the X app and tap my profile icon at top left. Now expand the settings and support. Then tap on settings and privacy. Then select your account. Then tap on the deactivate your account option. When you deactivate your Twitter account, your profile will be hidden, and nobody can send you messages, and after 30 days your X account will be permanently deleted. You can reactivate the account in 30 days or less if you want to keep your account.